The videos on this channel are purely for educational purposes. In this series, which is named as I for Investment, a lot of times the names of various companies would be quoted, and these companies are listed in the stock markets. However, it should be noted that the names which are quoted in the videos and which are displayed on this channel are only for educational purposes, and those companies should not be considered as an investment advice. The creator might be having those companies in the investment portfolio or might not be. Viewers are advised to consult a registered financial advisor before making any decision.
If you love to read books, then the same content of this series, I for Investment, is available in a readable format. The name of the book is I for Investment, Applying Common Sense While Nurturing Your Portfolio of Stocks. Click on the below link and grab your copy today.
Welcome to your own channel, Romance with Finance, a brand of Financial Freedom Hub. On this channel, you get the videos and information related to personal finance. Amongst one of our previous videos, we discussed about the automobile sector and we tried to figure out some companies which are in the same business, and these companies are listed in the Indian stock markets. Every morning when you step out of your house, what do you see? Buses rushing, trucks delivering goods, tempos carrying loads, school vans, office cabs, and whatnot. Have you ever wondered who makes these vehicles? And more importantly, can we own a piece of these companies as an investment? In the previous videos, we covered some of the transportation companies. Today, we are focusing on the remaining giants that silently run our economy. Tata Motors, from Nexon to Punch on city roads to massive truck on highways, Tata Motors is everywhere. Whether it's a family car or a long-haul truck, Tata Motors touches multiple parts of our daily life. Now let's talk about another company which you may not see on billboards, however you experience it almost daily. Ashok Leyland. Ashok Leyland is the backbone of public transport and goods movement. Ever traveled in a state transport bus, or a school bus, or an intercity coach? If yes, then that's Ashok Leyland for you. It deals in heavy and light commercial vehicles, defense vehicles, and buses. It is one of the largest manufacturers of buses in India. Now let's talk about another company that is also into transportation sector. You may not see flashy ads, however you have definitely seen their vehicles. The company has tempo travelers, ambulances, rural transport vans, utility vehicles, and many more in its portfolio. The company needs no introduction, it's Force Motors for you. So the next time you see a bus, truck, or a tempo on the road, remember, these are not just vehicles, they are business in motion. And some of these businesses are listed on the Indian stock market. This is the philosophy of I for Investment series on your channel Romance with Finance, wherein we do not chase the stocks, however we understand the businesses. Because once you understand the businesses, stock markets are simple. If this way of learning investing makes sense to you, then because here we fall in love not with tips, however with business logics. In I for Investment series, we don't say buy this or sell that. We ask, is the business visible in daily life? Is demand structural or temporary? Is this a necessity or luxury? And hence we understand the business.